Well, we got some holes cut out. We're gonna go ahead and section those or patch those up. Metal was just too fucked up to even try to mess with. I'm gonna weld that side up over there and dolly it out, make it look nice and good and flat, and put a little piece in here and a piece in there. Still working on getting their patch job out the way. Well, we did find some more work, of course. They've only got the steering shaft tack welded together, and of course there's no plate over that, or we're gonna weld up all the extra holes because we only need one on each side for the new master cylinder. May even put a plate over it to reinforce it. Got a piece cut to cover that little square. Went ahead and did the right thing and used cardboard, made some templates so I can make these two pieces. This piece will cover my square. I'm gonna put this over that hole in the firewall and then get the steering shaft exactly where I want it. And then I'm gonna weld the steering shaft to this, a couple spots, get it good and tacked on there. And then I'm gonna remove the whole entire steering assembly all the way to the gearbox and weld everything up nice and clean. Racecar. We'll get it all welded up where it's got good structure. Cause I don't know what the hell they had going on. They were trying to kill this guy. Cause I wiggled the steering wheel last night and the tack weld they had holding it in mock-up, I guess, broke loose, and now it doesn't steer the car no more. So that's what made me come to the conclusion we're gonna have to get everything, including that plate, lock up on there, and then pull it all out and weld it up. And while I got it out, I'll do a little paint job on it. That way it looks like a brand new part. But yeah, this spot right here has nothing holding it. Just turns freely inside there. Alright, so we did get it all mocked out. I got it pulled back out. I've already started welding them. I've already got a video. Their welds look terrible compared to that. This is what they were doing, and not even welded out and nowhere. I'm about to weld everything out, make it nice and clean, grind it down, and we'll get it painted and back in the car. So there's the steering shaft, completely welded, plate welded on it. I'm going to still grind that down smooth. Looking nice. Damn sure it's not going to come apart. We got the shaft completely cleaned up, ready for some paint. Rounded off all my edges, cleaned up all my welds. It'll look really nice. When I throw some paint on it, it'll look brand new. Got the steering column completely done. The welds are all blended out, nice and clean. Solid steering shaft. Column all fabbed up. The plate for the firewall closure. Looking real nice. Gonna fit right in there. I already test fitted it like 3 times before I painted it. Look, man, it fits. I can put it in with one hand